what's up, guys? Welcome back to the part 5. So, over here, we are right now in Al Baha, and you guys can see the tunnel. We are actually going to our next location. The view over there was amazing, as you guys can see. And now we are going to be going to the ancient heritage village. See the view over there, it's full fog, and ancient heritage village is like 30 kilometers from the Al Baha's main, like the city point. And now we are going to go over there 30 kilometers. That took us like 40 minutes to reach over there, because we were like 40 to 50 minutes, because we took some breaks while going, and we took some photo shoots. I'll be uploading the photos in the thumbnail, so stay tuned, guys. Oh my god, the view over there was really amazing. It was really a cold weather, and we need to go up the mountain. So it's only one way road and no overtaking kind of stuff, so you need to be full safety. That's why we did not overtake anyone. And as you guys can see, the view is really amazing. There are many tunnels over there, and this is actually a good village. Like, it's actually a good place to visit. It's in one of the visiting places in Al Baha, and it was really good to go over there. So I liked it a lot, and stay tuned, and I'll be seeing you guys once we reach over there, and be like have fun with the clips. So let's just go right into it. So guys, right now welcome back to the part 5, and we are right now in Al Baha, and now we are at the ancient heritage village. We got Sir with us.
Hi guys, welcome back to today.
So as you guys can see the view from here actually, and there are many buildings over here, and like it's actually a village. And I actually found that all the walls and all the houses are made up of rocks, so no concrete, nothing. So it looks like that, and all the like the gaps and all are filled with all small rocks. You can literally take that rock. Okay. Yeah. So right now, guys, I actually found a room, and I want to show you guys actually. So here we go. So this is actually the room, and let's just go. So this is the room. It used to be the old ones, like when people used to live over here, they used to live over here. And they're like rocks and stuff. It's all built with rocks, and it's a wooden door while coming in front. And I'll be putting all the clips from this video, guys. And I think I'm going to go to another like in the top floor if possible. And let's just go. Yeah, let's just go right into it. So guys, right now, as you guys can see, this is actually the top view, as I said you guys earlier, and sorry for the camera and disturbance. And the next thing is that, guys, we are going to be going to our next location, and as you guys can see the houses and stuff. So now we are in our next location, and this location is going to be a great location. We are going to be going to a botanical garden, guys, in Al Baha, and they said that there's some hanging bridge, so we are in our line to go. And as you guys can see, yeah, that's it. So that is a hanging bridge, guys. We are waiting for the line, and I just put some of these clips. Enjoy, and I'll be seeing you guys once we go and come back. Yes, right now, as you guys can see, there are many fruits over here: pomegranate, grapes, and blueberry. Many are there. So the garden was really epic, and I liked it a lot. And I'll be seeing you guys after this clip, and let's just go right into it. So guys, right now, as you guys can see behind me, it's actually raining right now, and we got stove over here. Just come on. So we got stove. We are actually at the botanic garden. Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
the explorer.
Okay, so we have over here pomegranate actually. I want to show you guys actually this one, and it's actually raining a lot. See, the screen itself is like raining, and many people are also
Sorry
there.
guys if you cannot see.
And it's really foggy. It's really good. We have some planted thingies over there. Oh my god! Oh my god! It's getting more and more rain. So I'll be seeing you guys after some time after the rain like reduces, and let's just go right into it. So guys, right now, as you guys can see over here, we got stove, and now I'm going to be putting the clip. Yeah, now South Explorer. I'm going to be putting the clips of the bridge. It was really amazing, and now really excited for that one. And I'll be seeing you guys after some time, and let's just go right into it. Right now, so the next over here, I just could take the hanging bridge clip, but I could not like go and take over there because if the phone falls, that's our responsibility. They just said it clearly, so I just did not want it. And now we are near to a museum actually, and in this museum, it was near to the botanical garden, and we just thought of going over there. I don't know the exact name of it. If I know, I'll be putting in the text format. And right now guys, obviously a museum has everything. Enjoy the clips, and I'll be seeing you guys after all the clips are done. And there are many TVs, radios, mobiles, king's pictures, and guns, swords, many are there. Enjoy the video, and I'll be seeing you guys after some time. So guys, right now we are at the museum actually. I'll be putting all the clips over here, and they are like many thingies. But okay, so I'll be putting all the clips. I'll be giving a voiceover actually. So stay tuned, and now we are going to be going to the next location. It looks amazing, and all the clips will be uploaded. And let's just go to the next location. So guys, right now actually we are going to go back to our room, and this is going to be our last clip. I just want to show you guys the weather over there, the fog, and the climate was really good. And if you guys currently are over here in South India, I just recommend you guys to go and for a vacation and stuff. And it was really amazing trip guys. And now we are going to be going back to our room, and then we are going to be having our dinner after some hours. So it is currently like 7:30, so maybe like 9:30. So stay tuned guys for the next part. Subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned, and I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Subscribe. Peace out guys.